everyone, welcome in the class. So this is the first tutorial in which you will know about what is Java language exactly. Actually, in today's era, the internet and smartphones have become an integral part of our lives. We use our phones for almost all of our day-to-day tasks. Earlier, we used to shop at malls, queue up in the front of banks, else in shopping mall and make our travels bookings at travel agencies. But now we can do all of this comfort of our homes using smartphones. All of this possible because of a high level programming language called Java. So Java is a high level programming language used in distributed environment on the internet. Now see the usage of Java. It is used in the making of mobile application, like especially in Android apps, desktop applications, web servers and application servers, obviously in the designing of the game, database connection and much more. Apart from this, Java is also used to develop software for devices. It is used not only in computers and mobiles but even in electronic devices like television, air conditioner, washing machine. This is wow. Online forms, banking and shopping also possible because of Java. Actually, Java is general purpose high level object oriented programming language and the most popular programming language, and it is created by James Gosling in 1995. It is owned by Oracle and more than 3 billion devices runs Java. Amazing. James Gosling, he had a single motto while creating the language. It was write once and run everywhere. This means that the code would have to be written only once, but it would be used anywhere. They named the language called Oak, O-A-K, because of the oak tree outside Gosling office. Later it was named to green, then to Java coffee, which was named after the coffee from Indonesia, and finally to Java in 1995. Let's see. Now the question is that why use Java? Why Java becomes a revolutionary technology? So Java works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is easy to learn and simple to use. In fact, it contains open source platform and free. It is secure, fast and powerful. It has a huge community support, tens of millions of developers. Java is an object-oriented language which gives clear structures to a program and allows code to be reused. As Java is close to C++ and C Sharp, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. Actually, Java is everywhere. Java supports huge libraries with API design. As I told you before, most of game developing on Java platform, and Java is most preferable programming language. You can see here the different features of the Java. For example, the first one is object oriented feature. It contains OOP concept, simple, secure, platform independent. The nice one is portable, high performance, contain multi-threaded platform, distributed, dynamic. So these are the amazing features of Java. Let's see the IDEs of Java. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Actually, it is a programming environment into a software application and provides a GUI builder, a text or code editor, a compiler and or interpreter and a debugger. So let's see IDEs of Java like NetBeans, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, BlueJ, JGraphs. Android Studio. The nice one is JSource JDeveloper, but the most one easy and popular one is NetBeans and Eclipse. I would refer you can use NetBeans as Eclipse. Thank you.